Tiny Learners with Lala.
Hi friends! Today we're going to learn the names of 40 amazing vehicles. Some travel on roads, some fly in the sky, and some sail across the water. Listen carefully, say the names with me, and let's have fun learning together. School bus. This is a school bus. A school bus takes children safely to and from school. Car. This is a car. Cars are one of the most common ways people use to travel. Fire truck. This is a fire truck. Fire trucks carry firefighters and water to put out fires. Truck. Trucks carry heavy goods from one place to another. Police car. Police cars help police officers keep people safe. Excavator. This is an excavator. It uses a big arm to dig holes. Tractor. This is a tractor. Tractors help farmers work on fields. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. Ambulances take sick or injured people to the hospital. Taxi. This is a taxi. Taxis carry passengers who need a ride. Bicycle. Bicycles move using pedals instead of engines. And they're a fantastic way for kids to have fun and explore the outdoors. Scooter. Scooters are small vehicles that are easy to ride. Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Motorcycles have two wheels and can go very fast. SUV. SUV stands for Sports Utility Vehicle. They are bigger cars made for families and rough roads. Van. This is a van. Vans can carry many people or lots of cargo. They are mainly used for families and businesses. Metro train. This is a metro train. Some metro trains run on the ground in tunnels and others on special tracks. They help quickly carry people around the city. Wow! You're doing an amazing job. Let's keep going and discover even more. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Helicopters fly with spinning blades, and they can take off and land without a runway. Drone. This is a drone. A drone is like a small flying robot that takes pictures from the sky. And it flies with the help of a remote control. RV. This is an RV. An RV stands for Recreational Vehicle. It is like a house on wheels used for traveling. Cable car. This is a cable car. Cable cars help people travel up big mountains. Tram. This is a tram. Trams run on tracks and it carries people through cities. Public bus. Public buses help many people travel around the city. Kayak. This is a kayak. A kayak is a small boat paddled by one person. Rowboat. This is a rowboat. A rowboat is a little boat that moves when you push the water with long stakes called oars. Ferry. This is a ferry. Ferries carry people and cars across water. Cruise ship. This is a cruise ship. Cruise ships are like giant floating hotels on the ocean. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is a giant colorful bubble that flies using warm air. Airplane. This is an airplane. Airplanes fly high up in the sky and carry people around the world. Container ship. This is a container ship. Container ships carry goods across the ocean. Sailboat. This is a sailboat. Sailboats move with the power of the wind. Fishing boat. This is a fishing boat. It is a special boat used to catch fish in the water. Boat. This is a boat. They travel on rivers, lakes, and oceans. Bulldozer. Bulldozers push dirt and rocks with a big blade. You're such a super learner! Only a few more vehicles to go. Rickshaw. This is a rickshaw. They are small vehicles used to carry passengers. Buggy. Buggies are small vehicles often used where there are no roads. E-cart. This is an e-cart. It is a fast electric toy car that you race on a track. Spaceship. This is a spaceship. They travel beyond Earth into space. Delivery truck. This is a delivery truck. They bring packages to home and stores. City bus. This is a city bus. It is a giant car that carries lots of families around town. Cement mixer. This is a cement mixer. It is a big truck with a giant spinning drum that mixes wet mud for building houses. Road roller. This is a road roller. They make roads smooth by pressing them flat. Hooray! You learned 40 different vehicles today. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in our next adventure. Bye bye.